This is going to be a video review of the Bob and Brad resistant bands for legs and butt. You can buy this in two different color sets, in green, pink, and purple, or the set we have here right now, which is light gray, dark gray, and black. They come in three different lengths. The light is 13 inches, the medium is 15 inches, the heavy is 17 inches, and the strength, the weight is between 14 and 25, 25 and 35 pounds, and 40 and 50 pounds. These things are great for building your butt, your glutes, your thighs, your legs, your abs. It's a simulated strength. It is great. It is a massive workout. No reason to go to a gym anymore. No reason to go to a gym during this time that we're living in. You can go out and buy the Bob and Brad exercise straps over here. And I'm going to show you how you use these things. You will get a massive workout. Sometimes you go to the gym, you use those machines that cost a couple $1,000s that work, I believe it's the abductors and the adductors. I think I said that right. You don't need to do that when you've got these. It comes with an instruction manual. You can also find exercises online. It comes with a nice carrying case. So let me show you how these work. You can use these while you are standing up, sitting down, laying down on your back with your feet on the floor. So I'm sitting in a chair right now. Oh boy. This is the exact same type of exercise that you get using those machines at the gym, where it's using the inner muscles of the thigh or the outer muscles of the thigh. Oh my God. Okay, that's enough for me right now. You can also put this down at your shin and do an exercise like this. So this is really good for building the inside of the leg. I can feel it right now. It's already working in my glutes, the butt muscles, tightening everything up. You get a great hip workout by using these. I have this down around my ankles so I can go outward. And you can do this, again, as I said, lying down on your back. You can put this around your knees, around your shins, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Here I am using a longer band, so I have more room to work. I'm standing up, I'm able to do my squats, and while I do my squats, I'm already out of breath. I'm able to get that at the back of the legs, the quadriceps. It's working the quads, it's working the hips, it's working the glutes, it's working the butt muscles. You do this a few times, you're going to feel it, you're going to be out of breath, you're going to be building your muscles, building up your body, and increasing your health by doing this. So this is definitely a product that you want to get. Bob and Brad resistant band for the legs and the butt. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. Make sure you click on it and order this product today.